With the latest version of InfraWorks, you can now publish your models to Autodesk BIM 360 Document Management. After creating a project in BIM 360, you can start your InfraWorks model with Model Builder just like before. But now you'll be selecting a BIM 360 project folder to store your model. Once the model is in place, you can use the BIM 360 platform to invite team members and control their level of access. Team members can then view the model online within BIM 360 or open it on their desktop with InfraWorks. As the InfraWorks model develops, changes made by team members are synced to the BIM 360 project. A single source of truth, rather than multiple versions. And as the project progresses, your team can benefit from all of the collaborative capabilities of BIM 360, including commenting, markups, and much more. Since BIM 360 is a comprehensive platform, your InfraWorks model will exist alongside other project documents and data, such as Civil 3D drawings, Revit models, and virtually anything else related to the project. Why is this change so important? It connects your InfraWorks model to the overall BIM project, streamlining communication and collaboration.